Mastering the art of email attachments. Hello there, learners. Today we are diving into the world of digital communication. More specifically, we're going to discuss a crucial aspect of emails: attachments. Whether you're sending a document, a picture, or a presentation, knowing how to attach files to emails is an essential skill in this digital age. An email attachment is a file sent along with an email message. It could be a document, a spreadsheet, a photograph, a video, or any other type of file that can be digitally stored. When you attach a file to an email, you are essentially creating a copy of the file to be sent with the email. The recipient can then download and view the attachment at their convenience. Attachments are a versatile tool in our digital communication. They allow us to share documents, photos, and other files that are too large to be included in the body of an email. Whether it's sharing a family photo, sending a resume to a potential employer, or distributing a presentation to your team, email attachments make digital communication more efficient and comprehensive. Here is a general step-by-step process of how to attach a file to an email. 1. Open your email program or service. 2. Create a new email by clicking on the New or Compose button. 3. Fill out the necessary details like the recipient's email address, subject line, and the body of the email. 4. Look for the Attach button. It usually looks like a paperclip and is often located near the bottom or top of the email window. 5. After clicking on the Attach button, a dialog box will appear where you can navigate to the location of the file on your computer. 6. Select the file you want to attach and click the Open button in the dialog box. The file will be added as an attachment to your email. 7. Once your email is ready, click Send. Remember, the steps can slightly differ depending on the email service you are using, but the general process remains the same. While attaching files to emails is straightforward, there are some considerations to keep in mind. 1. File size limit. Most email services have a limit on the size of attachments, usually around 25 megabytes. If your file is larger, you may need to compress it or use a cloud service like Google Drive or Dropbox. 2. File format. Ensure that your recipient can open the file format you are sending. It's best to send files in commonly used formats like .pdf or .doc for documents, .jpg or .png for images, MP4 for videos, etc. 3. Security. Be careful when opening attachments from unknown sources, as they can contain viruses. Similarly, let your recipient know if you're sending an attachment to prevent any security concerns. And there we have it. You now know what an email attachment is, why we use them, how to attach a file to an email, and some best practices to keep in mind. Attaching files to emails is a handy tool in both personal and professional life, and with practice, it'll become second nature. Until next time, keep practicing and happy emailing.